What goes into making something amazing? Is it passion? Is it the pride of never compromising? Or is it about always keeping our customers in mind? Isn't it about all of this? Since 2013, the Honda Amaze has answered India's dreams. A unique car for India's unique needs. Efficiency with elegance. Compact yet spacious. Innovative yet affordable. A car that promised to keep evolving with India. India today is bolder. India today demands that we be future ready. This new India demands a new way of thinking. And the third generation Honda Amaze boldly embodies it. Made in India, made for India, and made by people who reflect the true spirit of the new, bold, modern and passionate India. Every hand that touches the car knows our commitment. Every eye that closely inspects the production knows our commitment. The commitment to our customers so they can experience the joy of owning a Honda Amaze. This is not just a car. It's a symbol of innovation, trust and status. A symbol of quality, elegance and reliability. Made by people who take pride in delivering this quality, elegance and reliability. A proud partner of India, built by people who know how to keep a commitment. This is the all-new third generation Honda Amaze. Built for India, built with pride.